Hi everyone, my name is Veronica Arredondo, and for today's video blog, I will be discussing the topic of increasing the use of internet for health information by patients. I believe we have an issue with the information found on the internet by many people. The internet can be full of opinions and inaccurate information, and for those individuals who are browsers of the internet, this can lead to serious problems. Although the internet can also be very helpful, such as in the area where many practices and doctor offices are now offering more resources through the internet to view results and schedule appointments, many are still trying to bypass the system of seeing a physician and self diagnose themselves. I think we have an issue with the information found with medication, diseases, and outcomes. Everyone is different and may experience different side effects and have different diseases and ultimately different outcomes. I have seen many times people self diagnose themselves, and of course, more than half of the time they are wrong and misdiagnosing themselves, or they dismiss certain signs and result having cancer or a terminal illness. I like to refer to these individuals as Google doctors. They will take one symptom or a similar chief complaint from another person and decide that that's what's wrong with them. Not to mention, next is treatment. And they already have a name of the medication they need to be prescribed with when they actually arrive to see a physician. My proposal for this problem is promoting teledoc. In my opinion, this is something more realistic that can be accomplished rather than saying we need to remove such websites or increase the amount of websites with more accurate information. Sure, it won't hurt to advertise more that the information found on the internet is there to help, but it is still advised to see a physician at the end of the day. I'm not sure how familiar people are with Teladoc, but I anticipate this becoming more popular in the next few years. Teladoc is a telemedicine company that communicates to patients via telephone or video conference. Um, if someone is not feeling well or is unsure whether or not they have a serious issue, they can receive quality care from a licensed healthcare professional at any time. I mean, this can be in the middle of the night, midday, whenever. Um, I feel this can have many advantages and can lead to great outcomes. Someone may experience mild pain in a specific area and may think they have a tumor after browsing the internet, when in reality, it could have just been a muscular pain that could have been resolved with getting a prescription for muscle relaxers. Others may have back pain and blame it on lifting something heavy and take some over the counter medication for pain or something like that, ibuprofen. But in reality, they probably should have gone to see the doctor because it turns out to be something more serious. Although we cannot control what people find on the internet and read, we could bring more awareness of such healthcare systems that are in place for their benefit. I would rather not waste my time reading on possible diseases that I may have and instead have a healthcare provider give me advice and take it from there. Teladoc has the ability to prescribe certain meds, such as antibiotics, certain pain meds, and if they feel you need any additional testing or an actual visit, they will tell you. I do believe technology has broadened everyone's knowledge, to a certain degree, and it has improved patient relations with healthcare providers tremendously. I do foresee technology to continue improving for the patient's benefit, and we should all support if the reason behind it is to improve patient care. I believe this would be a great solution to these self-diagnosing patients. But that is all for today, and have a great day, and thanks for watching.